Well, I did move. I was parked where I shouldn't have been last night. I didn't realize it, but got to looking at the signs and saw that I shouldn't have been there. So I went ahead and moved down the sandy trail a little bit. Only thing I don't like is I've got a neighbor. See if I can get him behind me there. It looks like you can see my neighbor there, but no big deal. Gonna settle here for the night, and I took little side trips today, looked around, and I'll post some videos of that. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye. There's the Mexico border. Just took one of these side trails off, did a little exploring. We have sand dunes. A little breezy today. It's pretty windy last night and this morning, but it's down to a breeze now. Temperature 71 degrees. It's actually a beautiful day. See you later.